Hello everybody, welcome back to a new episode how to rewear a series, and we continue with the transmitter and receiver from the Flysky IA6, and we're going to doing the setup, just a short video again, and we're going over the receiver, the FS IA6B, where the first channel is ailerons, the second channel is elevator, the third is throttle, the fourth is rudder, and the fifth and sixth are extras. But most planes, like my RC plane that we are building, the little glider, the project that we are working on, well, it got two servos for ailerons, one on the left and one on the right. So we have to connect those together to have one connection point for channel 1, that is ailerons. So we connect those together. Let me see, do it correct. And we feed channel 1 ailerons to the correct place. Then number 2 is elevator. And put it at the correct place. Number 3 is throttle. And put that at the correct place. And I don't have a rudder for now. We can always add it on later on. Now of course we have to go into the receiver and the transmitter and check if all the connections are correct. That's the motor. This is ailerons and elevator. That's working all correct. But now we're gonna have to check if it works the way that we want it. If I wanna go left, the left aileron should go up and the right aileron should go down. If we go right, the right one should go up and the left one should go down. And then we also have elevator. If I pull down, the elevator should come up. That's how it should work. If it doesn't work, then like I showed you before, you go into setup and you reverse. You reverse the channels, save them, and as you can see now, if I push up, the elevator goes up. If I push left, it goes down. I push right, now you see it's working all the way exactly upside down. It's all twisted. So to make it work the way we want, we change and reverse the channels. Then go into setup, where we can reverse certain channels. If we want, we can reverse channel 2, go back and do channel 1, channel 2, hold cancel button to save it. Then later on we can also change the endpoint of the receiver, for the servos doesn't go too far. We have all full control of that. And then we also have the display that shows which is what: aileron, elevator, throttle, and then also the rudder. And then the extra points are channel 5 and channel 6. Those are the extra channels that we don't use. And then we have aux channels that we can change out the extra channels what we want to do. And then sub trim is of course very important, that we don't have to use this trim, we can use the trim of the transmitter. Dual rate is very important, so we can make it move the correct way that we want, make it slow or diagonal or very easy. And then we got throttle curve, so I want a diagonal, very easy, very simple. You can mix up some channels, extras, elephant, view detail, and switches assigns and throttle hold. Then you got the whole setup. This is basically how the Flysky receiver FS6B works. I hope you like this video, and please give the video a like and subscribe for the next video, the next episode. This is How to DC signing out. Goodbye.